Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Solar Fox here. Hey, there's been a lot of chitter chatter lately about that 2023 piece, Director Strike COA, and whether or not the tape dictates if you get the COA or not. And I guess a lot of the Morgans, believe, have been coming out with that stop tamper tape, as well as some clear tape on the piece. And I think the piece are also getting both or whatever. But the question is, does the kind of tape dictate if you get the COA or not, the director strike? And so I did a little bit of research. I'm trying to put some of the rumors to bed. It's not 100% yes or no. But here's what I do know. Back in 2021, when the Morgan and the piece came out, it seemed like a lot of people either had their packages stolen or people took the coins out and continued to have the boxes sent to the person's house. And so I think the Mint's trying to be a little bit more proactive on the theft of precious metals this year and their products. Because basically what people do is there's like a government permit number out of Washington, D.C., so that's like the first clue. And then, well, here. So hopefully that turns out the right side way for you. But basically, there's a permit code, Washington, D.C., so that's the first clue. And then it comes out of Memphis, Tennessee. And then there's a doc number, and I think sometimes there was like an annex number too. But basically, if you were a smart postal employee, you would figure out that all the gold and silver were in these boxes, and you'd pull out the coins or you'd take the box or whatever. So I think they're trying to be more proactive this year, but there's always one bad apple in the bunch, right? So either way, there's going to be a few going missing. But what I can tell you is I'm really impressed that at least they're doing the security tape this year. But also, like, you see this looks kind of like an ordinary box that doesn't have a whole lot of value. And it might be a proof set, or it might be a 1 ounce gold coin, who knows. But if it's got that stop tape there, it's kind of, it's like my shirt, or a red car, or a red apple, or whatever. It's kind of more attractive to the eye, and it makes you look at it more. So I think it's a step in the right direction. Is it fail-proof? Because they'll just take the box anyways. Not exactly. So here's what I do know about this tape. 2021, they didn't do it at all. It was just this clear tape here. And it seems like a lot of the Morgan dollars for 2023 have the red safety tape, stop tape or whatever. And I had 2 viewers reach out to me. One, I actually know he's got the photos because he sent the photos to me. The other one, I have no reason to doubt that he didn't. So he or she, not sure who it is. But they both said that they got the clear tape package, which is interesting. And I was listening to Tiny Numismatics on, I think it was his Wednesday morning show. And I posted the question out of curiosity. I think there was somebody that said, or no, I think I posted the question to see, and somebody chimed in saying that they also got clear tape on theirs, and on their piece, and they didn't get a COA, and so it kind of seemed like that got debunked real quick. But I'd say, and I heard from some other people that it sounds like they ran out of red security tape and then switched to clear or something around those lines. So here's a question. If you got the piece, did you get clear tape or did you get red security tape? Because the 2 viewers that I know of that say they got the COAs, the director strike, both had clear tape. So let me know. I'd be interested. I should probably post a poll. I'm not sure how to do that yet. Maybe somebody can tell me how. But it'd be cool to post a poll. And from what I know right now, I would say your odds are probably more likely with the clear tape. But according to other people who have gotten their piece, it's not a clear designation that there's a COA in it. I think it's just more likely. And this is also coming from a guy who didn't buy any. So, you know, don't take me as an expert, but I'm just deducing by common sense. I haven't heard of anybody with red tape yet getting a COA. So take it for what it's worth. Look at my other video on grading your COA. And I go into, I think it's 11 minutes or so, but go to the farther end point. And I go over talking to PCGS on how to grade them, and also a little trick so you don't have to send it in right away, because they kind of want you to just blindly send it in. And I came up with the idea, along with some other people who had a similar idea, on how to see if you have the COA before you send it in. So check that out. Hope everybody has a good weekend. I'm going to be posting a couple more videos here. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. See ya.